Good morning students. Today in this video I am going to explain the methods to write the sets. Methods to write the sets. Here there are three different types to write the sets. How to exhibit these sets? This is very important. First one is sentence form. Second one is roster form. Third one is set builder form. These three types are very important to write the sets. One by one I will explain. First one, sentence form. What is the sentence form? Suppose the set of even numbers between 10 and 20. So this is a well-defined set. The set of even numbers, this is well defined. Even numbers between 10 and 20. So simply we can write this is called sentence form. This is called sentence form. Simply we can write only sentence. Which set we require. So we can write by sentence form. This much only. Suppose multiples of 5, the set of multiples of 5, or vowels in English alphabet, vowels in English alphabet. So simply we can express the sentence, the definition of sets. So this is the sentence form. Next one, roster form. What about the roster form? This is very important. Roster form means we can write the elements. Listen it carefully. We can write the elements in a flower brackets. In a flower brackets with separate the commas. Once again, in the roster form, we can write the elements. We can write the elements. Elements means here the set of even numbers between 10 and 20. Between 10 and 20 means we should not take 10 and 20. So what are the even numbers here? 12, 14, 16, 18. This much only. These are the even numbers. These are called elements. These are called elements. Element, this word is very important in mathematics. Each and everything we can treat as elements. Whether it is living things or non-living things. In the sets language, we can treat every object as the word element. So 12, 14, 16, 18, these are the elements. These elements we can write in flower brackets. What are the flower brackets? Here, these are the flower brackets. Flower brackets. We can write the elements in flower brackets by separating with the commas. This method is called roster form. I will write here 12, 14, 16, 18. So what about the roster form? Clearly I will explain once again. Roster form means we should write the elements in the flower brackets with the separating commas, by separating with the commas. When we are writing roster form, this is very important. When we are writing the elements in the roster form, we should name them. Means here set A is equal to 12, 4, 16, 18. This is the name of the set. A is equal to 12, 4, 16, 18. A, B, C, D. Any letter we can take. But these letters should be capital letters. Remember this. Name of the sets should be in the capital letters. Don't write in small letters. Understood? Roster form, sentence form. So roster form. Suppose one more example I will explain. The set of vowels in English alphabet. So this is the sentence form. The set of vowels in English alphabet. Remember this. These are all well-defined collections. Well-defined collections are called sets. So this is the sentence form. How to write in roster form? What are the vowels in English alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. We know that. A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels in English alphabet. How to write in roster form? You take any name, A or B or C, D, any letter you can take as the name of the set. Now I am taking B. B is equal to A, E, I, O, U. What is the condition? While we are writing the roster form, what are the conditions? First one is name of the set. Name of the set should be in capital letter. Name of the set should be in capital letter. And elements should be in small letters. This is the condition. Third example, the set of letters in the word school. Observe carefully here. The set of letters in the word school. How many letters are there here in the word school? S, C, H, O, L. These are the letters. How to write these letters in roster form? First of all, name the set. Now I am taking name of the set is C. Already we taken A, B. This is third example. C is here small letters only. S, C, H, O L. Observe it carefully. This is the one more condition. While we are writing the roster form, first condition is name of the sets. You should name the sets. Second condition, we should write the elements in small letters only. This is the second condition. Third condition is we should not repeat the element again and again. This is very important. We should not write the element again and again. Here actually, school, we are taking O 2 times, but in the roster form we should write only one time. Understood? So that's why I wrote SCHOL. Like this, we can write the sentence form and roster form. Roster form means we should write the elements in the flower brackets, and separate elements with the commas. Name the sets with the capital letters. Write the elements in the small letters. Should not repeat the element again and again. These are the conditions of a roster form. So, third one is set builder form. This is very, very important. Set builder form. Listen it carefully. Here, generally the question should be in the roster form. The question should be in the roster form. What is the roster form? I will give you an example. D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. D is equal to 5, 10, 15, 20. Exactly it is in the roster form because the elements are written in flower brackets and separated with the commas. Already named with the capital letter. So this is the roster form. So now how to write the roster form in set builder form? In the set builder form, the important thing is what is the common property of the elements. That is the very important. What is the common property of the elements? Here 5, 10, 15, 20. What is the common property? What is the common feature of the elements? We have to guess. This is very, very important. Otherwise, we can't write the set builder form. These are all multiples of 5. What is the common property? These are all multiples of 5. So simply, we should write the common property. Actually, the set builder form is we have to describe the elements. We have to describe the elements or describe the common property of the elements. What is the common property here? These are all elements. These are all elements, multiples of 5. So, how to write now? B X such that X x such that this symbol is called such that. Sometimes you can write x such that like this also. X such that x is a multiple of 5. We are describing the common property of elements. One more condition. How many multiples are having 5? 5 has infinite multiples. Every number has infinite multiples, remember this. But we are not taking all multiples of 5. How many we are taking? From 5 to 20 only. That's why we should mention the condition. How many multiples we are taking? This is from the starting onwards we are taking. 5 is first number. Before this there is no multiple of 5. So this is the first number. Up to 20. That's why x less than or equal to 20. This is the condition you have to mention. X less than or equal to 20. Or one more, 5 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 20. This is also correct. This equal is, we are taking 5. Understood? We can take one more example. A is equal to 1, 2, 5, 10. 1, 2, 5, 10. These are the elements. It is in the roster form. How to write the set by form? First of all, we have to guess the common property of the elements. What is the common property? This is very important. Otherwise, it is very difficult to write the set builder form. What are the common property? 1, 2, 5, 10. Anybody can guess? These are all factors of 10. Understood? 1, 2, 5, 10. These are all factors of 10. So, this is the common property. This is very important. A is equal to x such that x is factor of 10. Here, one more thing. We wrote all the factors of 10. All the factors. There are no other factors. So, we should not write any other conditions. We are taking all elements. All factors of 10. One more example. B is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Here you observe this. 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Now we have to guess the common property of the elements. Suppose these are all rational numbers. But we should not write rational numbers because 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 5 by 6, these are all rational numbers. Actually, all natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, all are rational numbers. But particularly, what is the criteria of these fractions? First of all, 1 by all fractions numerators are equal. 1, 1, 1, 1. You observe denominators. Here actually this is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. What is the common property of denominators here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all natural numbers. So, B is equal to x such that x is equal to 1 by y. 1 by y. What about y? Semicolon, this is y belongs to n. Here, how many natural numbers taken here? Up to 5 only. That's why one more condition, y less than or equal to 5. This is the set builder form. In this case, we think a lot. Understood? One more, last example. 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. What is the common property of these elements? 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. If you observe here, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. So, C is equal to x such that x is equal to y square. Y belongs to n. This is symbol belongs to. And y less than or equal to 5. This is the set builder form. Understood? This set builder form is very important in the sets. Roster form is very easy, sentence form is also very easy. But when we are writing set builder form, we should observe the common property of the elements. Okay, thank you.